What do you guys think the best oil for your car is? We actually just recently became a certified Mobil 1 dealer. I know a lot of people have a lot of oils out there that they love. We went with Mobil 1 because we're in colder climate, Northwest Indiana, and Mobil 1 does really well with staying thin when it's super cold outside. We know that's kind of important for, cold starts. What have you had the best luck with? Have you had any crazy stories where your car got like 400, 500,000 miles on it? And how often did you change it? Was it full synthetic or was it just regular conventional oil? Or was just interested in figuring out what works for people and what they've had super good luck with. So who knows? Let us know. Drop a comment below.